and welcome to the online class. This is fourth day. Successfully, we are entering into the fourth day. Okay, we already started these problems. Chapter 1, real numbers. Right? Now, please get ready with your textbooks also, ma. What you discussed so far about the real numbers, equality division lemma or equality division algorithm. That is A is equal to, this already we discussed, or you can call it as algorithm. Okay, no problem. A is equal to PQ plus R. Mainly the purpose of this equal division lemma to find the HCF, to find the HCF of two given numbers A and B, to find the HCF of two given numbers A and B. This is one method to find the HCF. What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common. See, the meaning itself is a common. Factor. This is one method to find the HCF of the two given numbers. Let us A and B are positive integers, and the numbers are in positive integers, then only you can find the HCF. Okay. Now another method is there, which is very important. Another method to find the HCF by using the prime factorization method. This part is over, ma. They may ask, it may come for 2 marks question. Find the HCF by using the equal division lemma, or find the HCF by using the prime factorization method. This is second method. To find the HCF of prime factorization method. Another method. First method is equal division lemma. First of all, you have to know what is the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, no, 17, 19, so on. How can you say this is a prime number? Suppose see, let us see the factors of 2. 1 into 2 only. What is the factors of 3? 1 into 3 only. See that. What is the factors of 13? 1 into 13 only. No other factors. What are the factors of 19? 1 into 19. So that's why a number having factors 1 and its number. అంటే ఆ నంబరు 1 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటేనే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాం. మరి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ కానివేంటి అని మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ దట్ ఆల్సో. కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్. Other than prime numbers are composite numbers. Other than prime numbers are composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది. So 11 ఇక్కడ రాదు ఇంకా. 12, so on. Of course. Why we can call it as a prime number? దీని factors ఏంటి? 2 into 2. మళ్ళీ 2 factors ఏంటి? 1 into 2. అంటే the factors of 4 is 1 into 2 into 2. Adi, we have a other factors also for this. So let us take this 10, 2 into 5. Let us take this one. Factors 2 into 3. Adi. ఇక్కడ మీరు గమనించాల్సి ఏంటంటే చూడండి, ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ గమనించాల్సి ఏంటంటే ఇది రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి. మీకు ఇక్కడ 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. చూడండి ఇక్కడ అంటే ఈ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ లో కూడా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మనకి ఏమొచ్చినాయి, ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి మనకి. When you take the composite number, the factors of a composite number nothing but prime numbers only. See that? Of course, one is a neither prime nor composite. 2 is a I mean 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers. See that? Here 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 are prime numbers. అందుకే ఇక్కడ అన్నట్టు to find the HCF by using prime factorization method. అది అంటే ఏ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్ కైనా మళ్ళీ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఓన్లీ. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ నో అదర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అదర్ దాన్ 1 and number itself. 1 and the number itself we can call it as a prime number. క్లియరా? ఇది మీకు అర్థమైపోతే సరిపోతుంది. Now you can go for solution. Find the HCF. See, we will start the example problem. One or two examples, then we can other problems. Find the HCF of, first time take the simple numbers 12 and 18 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Two numbers are given 12 and 18 by prime factorization method. So first of all, you have to find the factors for 12. Is the tree method before class వచ్చింటుంది మీకు 7th లో 6th లో ఉంటుంది tree method of factors. 18 కి 2 into 3 into 3. Otherwise you can find like this also. See, 2 6 are 12. See everyone, 2 3 are 6. So the factors of 12 I am writing here. The factors of 12, 2 into 3. ఇది ఇట్లా రాష్ట్రం దీని tree method అంటారు. ఇదేమో same by using the division method to find the factors. Let us go for 18th. The prime factors are, whenever you are going to find the prime factors, you have to start with the lowest prime number. The lowest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number.
I'm Sirisha. I'm going to start first chapter from your 10th class, first chapter, biology subject. Okay, you please go through with the slide. Nutrition, food supplying system is the first chapter in this 10th class. What do you mean by biology? Okay, so biology is very interesting topic. Okay, interesting subject. Okay, bio means life, logy means study. Okay, biology is a branch of science which deals with the study of life, right? Okay, so in this chapter we'll discussing about nutrition, a food supplying system. So nutrition is one of the life process, right? Okay, so what do you mean by life then? Okay, so we all of us are living organisms, like we humans, animals, plants, all of us are living organisms. Why we are calling we are living organisms? Because we have life. Okay, so we have life. On what basis we are able to tell we have life? Because we are made up of cells. Cell is a basic, fundamental and structural unit of life, right? Okay, so see, if you take chair, benches, table, board or something, those are non-living things. They don't have any life. Okay, they don't have any life in them. While animals, humans, plants, all of us are having life. So they will undergo certain functions. Okay, so all these living organisms are having life. They will undergo certain functions. Okay, so those functions which are carried out by living things are known as life processes. Okay, so in general, okay, so what are the life processes that we will be studying which are occurring in our body? Those are nutrition, right? We will eat food, right? That is nutrition. We need different varieties of food, okay, because our tongue will sense us. It doesn't like if your mom is feeding daily puri as a breakfast, you don't like it, right? So your tongue want different varieties of taste, right? Okay, nutrition and respiration. Without breathing, we cannot survive, right? We'll inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Respiration, digestion. Whatever the food we are eating, that will undergo digestion and certain processes, and it is eliminated out. Excretion, elimination of waste and toxic substances from the body is known as excretion. Reproduction, reproduction. Okay, it is a process where the daughter strands or daughter cells are formed by living things only. Okay, so all these are various life processes: nutrition, respiration, reproduction, excretion, digestion. All these are various life processes which can be seen only in living organisms. Okay, while you cannot observe these kind of life processes in case of non-living things. So is this fine? So this is a basic introduction. Now let us enter into detailed study of this nutrition of food supplying system. Okay, so what do you mean by nutrition? The process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth is known as nutrition. Okay, the process of providing or obtaining food which is necessary for health and growth is known as nutrition. Okay, so there are a number of varieties of food. So we cannot produce our own food. Okay, so we are dependent on plants and animals. So all the food that we are consuming is obtained from plants as well as animals. Okay, so plants are called producers because whatever the food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, all these on which we are dependent on plants. See, for example, if you see, food is needed by all living organisms. Okay, so food is having a major role. It plays a major role. Okay, so food consists of various components. This thing you might have studied in your 7th class. Okay, in your 7th class, food components, because the food is having various components. What do this food consist of? The food is having carbohydrates, lipids or fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. All these are the various components present in a food. Okay, so it is very interesting to study about this nutrition because food provides lot of energy to us. Okay, so from where we are getting all this energy? It is from food. Okay, so without food we cannot survive, but we can't even produce food in our body. We are dependent on plants and animals. Okay, who gives us food? Plants and animals gives us food. Okay, so generally based on the type of nutrition, so food is having lot of various functions. Okay, so food gives us energy, it protects us from infections, it protects us from diseases. Okay, so it is also responsible for bodybuilding, right? So it is also responsible for bodybuilding. So from many animals, so all living organisms are dependent on food. It may be a unicellular organism or multicellular organism. Unicellular in the sense of it is made up of entire organism consists of a single cell. Okay, multicellular, multi means many.
Good morning, children. Today our social class, lesson number 1, India relief features. Already we have started this lesson yesterday and studied about location of India. We also studied about latitudinal and longitudinal location of India. The lines, latitudes, the longitudes are used for accurately specifying location of any place or region. And the latitudinal location of India is in between 8 degrees in 4 minutes north latitude, 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, and longitudinal extent is 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude, 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. In between these longitudes India is located, and India also chosen a central longitude 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude as a IST time here, and this longitude is 5.5 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. We have studied about these latitudes, longitudes yesterday, children. So let's continue the next part. Our next and new today's topic is geological background. Geological background means how the landforms have originated here. Now we know there are 7 landforms are there. And they are in the form of continents. These continents are the first order landforms here. So at present we know that there are 7 continents on the earth here, and we are living in Asian continent in Indian country here. So how these landforms have formed here? Due to many changes in the nature environment here, we can see 7 continents at present here. How was the earth before millions and millions of years ago? So how these landforms originated? What is the basic landform which originated in the past, and how due to changes in the environment here, how we are able to see continents, 7 continents, that is the landforms at present here. World landforms, we can call these landforms as a old landforms or world landforms here. These world landforms originated from the 2 giant lands here, namely Angara land. This Angara land is also has another name called as a Laurasia, and another part of the landmass is Gondwana land here, Gondwana land. And from the second part, northern part and southern part, you can see in this picture here, there is a central line drawn in this picture also, that is equator here. The northern part is called as a Laurasia, and the southern part of the old world landforms is Gondwana here. The another name for Laurasia is Angara land. Our country, Indian Peninsula, is a part of the Gondwana land here. And over 200 million years ago, this Gondwana land split into pieces, and the peninsular Indian plate. You have studied in your 9th class, children, about the plate tectonic system here. Due to this plate tectonic systems, how the mantle which is pliable in nature continuously and slowly moving and formed the present landforms here. So this Gondwana land split into pieces, and peninsular Indian plate, they moved to the northeast and collided into another plate called as a Eurasian plate. Eurasian plate means Angara land. Eurasian plate is in Angara part, that is another part of the Pangaea. What is this Pangaea? It is a biggest landmass on the earth, and this super landmass was called as a Pangaea, and this Pangaea has 2 parts. Northern part is Angara land and southern part is Gondwana land here. And when this Gondwana land collided with Eurasian plate, that is Angara land here, what happens? There created an immense compression force here, and with that immense compression force, mountains evolved through a folding process, and this happened millions years ago, children. The present form of the Himalayas, which we can see here, is a result of this process. What process? Anga Gondwana land splitting into the two pieces,
Know
and our
about Nick Vujicic, the person you can see here on the screen. It is a lesson 1, children, English unit 1, and in that unit the first lesson of class 10th. Okay, and the title is Attitude is Altitude. Okay, so you must be wondering what is attitude and what is altitude. Attitude means our behavior. It can also be the way we think. అంటే మనం ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తామో, ఎలా ఆలోచిస్తామో. It means that altitude means height. Okay, so the way you behave, okay, that decides your life. The better you behave, the higher you reach. The better you behave, the higher you reach. Okay, so we'll move to the next. We'll move to the textbook. Okay, you can see so it is about his life. It is about Nick Vujicic. Okay, so I'm starting the first paragraph. Imagine, okay, sorry for, okay, before we start, I'll just take you through, okay, the meanings which we have. So you can see their glossary meanings. What is skateboard? Skateboard, a short, narrow boat with small wheels at each end, which you stand on and ride as a sport. So normally, it's a, you can call a sea sport, or like riding on waves. Okay, you must have seen in the movies riding on the waves. Okay, and next one is surf. Surf means like skateboard people use. Okay, on that they ride. Okay, surf, to take part in the sport of riding on the waves on surfboard. Okay, so it's also like surfing, which is like riding on the waves using skateboard. Now next is torso. Torso means the main part of the body, not including the head, arms or legs. Okay, the main part of the body, not including head, arms or legs. Okay, that means torso. And next, chicken drumsticks. The lower part of the leg of a chicken or other bird that is cooked and eaten as food. Okay, so here in the lesson we will get to see these words. Okay, Nick, while describing his personality, he used this. Okay, so at the time you will understand. And club, a heavy stick with one end thicker than the other. Okay, and it's a stick. It uses to play golf. Okay, golf is a sport. Okay, and next is adversity. Adversity means difficult or unpleasant situation. It means bad condition also. Perseverance. Perseverance, the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Okay. In simpler words, trying again and again, not giving up. Okay.